we had to have a look because maraming nagbago from the budget requests from the different departments, and we have to put it back in the same shape that we had first requested. So unfortunately, we are only left now. I am only left now with the veto power because tapos na sa BICAM. So na-approve na ng House, na-approve na ng Senado. Now it's up to us on how we regain control of the spending program. And I cannot give you the details yet because that was we are now. That is what we are doing. We're going through item by item, line by line, to see what is priority and what is not. And that's what we will come up with. We were originally scheduled to sign into law the GAA tomorrow, 20th. Pero mukhang hindi kami matatapos pa at that time. So I cannot give you a date because it will take as long as it will take. But I want to be very, very sure that the budget for 2025 is directed at the important projects that we have prioritized, number one. And secondly, that there is a stronger safeguards on the spending for the different projects. Kaya baka mag-assess na naman tayo ng mga project na pinasok na insertion. Because yung insertion na ginawa ay hindi naman kasama yun sa budget request. So, ano ngayon yung mga yan? Kung talaga bang kailangan, baka yung iba, hindi naman kailangan pwede i-defer. Yung iba, baka masyadong we are starting to see some project proposals that do not have the appropriate program of work, hindi walang appropriate na documentation, hindi maliwanag kung saan pupunta ang pera. Kaya yun ang liliwanagin natin. Maging naliwanag. Hindi naman, it's not as if that hindi naman tayo nagkaroon ng napakalaking budget napakalaking budget na savings. Hindi nga kulang-kulang. Kaya kailangan maingat tayo kasi yung ginagastos yan, hindi naman karamihan, pero meron dyan, utang yan. Kaya kailangan mapunta sa tama para mabayaran natin yung utang. May bawi naman tayo dun sa ginastos natin, dun sa inutang natin. And that's what we are trying to clarify.